Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Khalid Mahmud, your online trainer. In this video, I will teach you how to create exercise 29 step by step in AutoCAD. This tutorial is perfect for beginner and student who want to improve their AutoCAD skill. So don't forget to download the PDF file from the description box so you can practice along with me. So let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the workspace. Start drawing. Let's prepare our AutoCAD workspace. Open your AutoCAD and type UN to set the unit and choose millimeter. UN, enter. Decimal, choose a millimeter, press OK. Turn on the grid, better alignment, set the drawing limits if required. So step 2. Drawing the main outer circle. As you see in this diagram, there is a multiple circle, but this one is a main circle. Okay, so we are going to create this main circle. Diameter will be 98. So C for circle, click on specific point, D for diameter, put a value as a 98, press enter. Step 3. Drawing the inner circle. Next we will draw the two inner circles. First one, this one, as you see in the red line as a center line, and then second one will be this one, this circle. Okay, so now just create C for circle, click on specific center point of last circle, D for diameter, 54, enter. Now again draw the second circle with the same center point and diameter will be 68. C for circle, click on the center point, D for diameter, put a value as a 68, press enter. Now step 4. Adding the 12 cutouts. As you see in this image, this one is a cutout. So we are going to create these 12 cutouts. So now let's add the 12 cutout inside the circle. So use C for circle command. Place the center of the circle along the 68 diameter. So click here 68 diameter, D for diameter and put a value as a diameter 8 and radius as a 4. So put a diameter 8, press enter. Now L for line, click on the center point to this coordinate point. CO for copy, upside, use ortho command, upside it will be 1, enter. Again CO for copy command and select this circle, press enter, and downside it will be 1, press enter. Select this line, E for erase, use a trim command, TR double enter, trim this circle and also these lines. Now just zoom out, select this circle, array polar command, press enter, click on center point of this main circle and choose a value as a 12. Press enter. Now close this array. Select this line, go to properties and check a line type as a center line and color will be red. Now we are going to trim unwanted part of the circle. Use TR double enter and trim this one. We are going to fast forward. Now we trim it. Now step 5. Create the side features. As you see in this diagram, this one is a side feature. This one and also this one and this one. So start by drawing a circle with a radius 22 on the left side. So use C for circle command. Click on this center point and radius will be 22, enter. Now select this circle and M for move, left side it will be 84, press enter. Now again need to create one more circle as a diameter 14. So C for circle, click on center point, D for diameter as a 14, press enter. Now again we are going to create this upside and downside circle. So use C for circle command, click on the center point and radius will be 17. Press enter. Again select the circle. M for move upside, it will be 63. Press enter. Now zoom out this one. Use a circle command, C for circle, and create one more circle as a diameter 14. Press enter. Select both circle, use MI for mirror. Click on this point to this point. Press as a new. Now we are going to create the larger circle, this one. This circle radius will be 85. This one is touched from this one to this one. So use circle command, C for circle, TTR, enter. First this circle, second this circle, and put a value as a 85. Press enter. Now trim unwanted part of this circle. TR, double enter. Trim this one, also this one and this one. As you see in this diagram, we are going to create these curves. So step adding curves. So use fillet command, F for fillet, R for radius. Radius will be 20, enter. T for trim, choose as a no trim. Select this one and also this one. As same as this one and this one. Okay. Now if you see here, radius will be 12. So use F for fillet, R for radius, and radius will be 12. Press enter. Use M for multiple times. Select this one and this one, and also this one and this one. Press enter. Now we are going to trim unwanted part of this drawing. So use TR, double enter, trim this circle and also this circle to this circle. As same as downside, trim this one and this one. If you see very carefully, your drawing almost complete. So select all the part of your drawing except this center circle. Go to properties and change the line thickness as a 0.30. Now close. If you see there is a point, so select this one, also this one. Fast forward. So your drawing almost complete. Now step 7. Add dimensions. You know how to put a dimension very properly. After you put dimension, your drawing show just like that. So step 9. Final touch and review. Take a final look at your drawing and check the dimension and make sure everything aligned perfectly. If you have followed the step correctly, your drawing should be look exactly like this. So congratulations, you complete exercise 29. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video. To support my work, subscribe to my channel for more beginning friendly AutoCAD tutorial, and join my channel to support and get access to exclusive content. So don't forget to download the PDF file of this exercise available in the description box. Practice and share your progress in the comment box. So thank you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Tata, bye bye. Take care.